Looking out of the window is something fantastic, especially when it's not the first ground. So everything is visible at a distance. What a smart, brave cat. He knows the boundaries and never crosses them. In fact, it's only the fourth floor. And cats, as you remember, feel safe even at the ninth or 11th floor, though it's much better to close the windows. But this one is very peaceful. He's just watching, just enjoying his life. Why not, when there are so many things happening outside? There are so many people and cars, and it's great when it is raining, because when one can hide in the room. Meanwhile, it's such a lovely weather, so it's possible and it's much better to stay here.